this thing, Gamma.app. Padma, मैंने अभी बताया how to use it Gamma for free. If you still not understand it, how to use the free version of it, I will explain you later on in the notes. Now, guys, I have this Excel AI. Now, just see the level of AI in your job, and I'm going to prove my point in my inner circle program, guys. There are people who have reduced their 5 hours ka work every day to 1 hour, and I think it's unbelievable. No one can believe it. And so let me show you some glimpse of it. Now this is a typical raw Excel data. How many of you work on formatting? So let's say you have thousands of data, 1 lakh entry. How much time you spend on formatting? Is this a common problem in Excel for any working professional? Formatting, very manual or boring task? Is that a yes in the Zoom chat? Every Excel users, 2 hours, minimum 2 hours daily, a lot of time. I'm close the Zoom chat. See this common problem. You don't know how to use AI for Excel automations. How do I use it? I select my data, whatever data I want to format it. One click for selecting. The next click is something called as quick formatting. These are AI features in my Excel. You won't have it. I will help you to get it. Don't worry about that. But let's first understand the potential of it. Then we'll work on implementation. I select one click. Excel will ask me, do you want to create a copy of this data? I will say yes. Excel will pay KBC with me. कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? Now the next question, Excel will ask me, Hardik, does it have headers? I will click on yes. The moment I click on yes, the job is done. See this. The entire formatting of data, properly it's done. How many people got self-realization? The people have said 2 hours, 1 hour, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Did you realize you're wasting your precious time? Which is not required, my friend. You just need to learn about Excel here. Drop R in the Zoom chat if you have got it. If you have got the realization. That it's not required, my friend. You just don't need, you don't just have a mentor to help you with. Now the next problem. How many of you work on Excel reports, Excel dashboards? How many people work on it? Or how many people create pivot tables, pivot charts manually in their life in Excel, in their job? You working, bro? Yes, I do it manually all day long. Doing regularly. Oh my God. See this. You're still lacking behind. Let's say I have got this raw data from my boss. My boss told me to format it. 1 second, formatting done. Now my senior manager wants me to analyze this Excel data and create an Excel report or Excel dashboard out of it. Do you know how do I do it? I just select the data. I go to home tab, just like you had designer, which is the co-pilot in PowerPoint. You have co-pilot in Excel, which is called as analyze data. One click, 40 plus visuals are ready. Pivot charts, pivot tables, all complex insights, 37 plus 37 and this 4. 41 thing is ready. See this. One click, pivot table is done. One click, the chart is ready. One click, the pivot chart is ready. Hardik, is it customizable? Yes, see this. If I talk about this pivot table, let's say your boss does not want to see the full name, remove full name. Your boss wants to see the department, put department, and your AI enabled pivot table, pivot chart, everything is ready. And the beautiful part is, let's say you want to create Excel reports and dashboards, it's still unbelievable. See this. You won't believe your eyes. This is my data. I've selected my data. This is an employee data. I want to create a HR dashboard. How much time you would take? 3 to 4 hours. How much time I take using AI? I select the data. I go to templates. I have templates in my Excel, which you guys won't be having it. I'm pretty much sure. I have data, I have solution for my entire company, accounting, data analysis, finance, HR, marketing, operation, project managers, real estate, sales, small business, strategy management, all the management level work, CA's work, everything. I'll go to HR. I want to create a dashboard. One click and it would take a seconds and my dashboard, which is interactive, see this, interactive with all the advanced features is ready. And now with your utmost honesty, guys, with utmost honesty, do you agree? These are the things which you take like 3 hours, 4 hours, and I've done it in few minutes. Have you realized where you're lacking in your job? What's stopping you to get your next salary hike and promotion? I hope I have made you realize that. Is that a yes, or how many people are just speechless? They are just watching the screen without having any thoughts. Unbelievable. Awesome. I'm just watching the screen. Is this a dream? Jabardast. I may take full months for this. So this is what you is this. Where is the raw data? Here is the raw data. You can replace the raw data as well. I'm 100 years back. I completed my MBA, need this. Everyone needs this. The point is people are not aware of this. That's the only problem. I hope I made you realize how Excel AI is important. Can we go back to PowerPoint now? Is that a yes? Hardik, which version of Excel is this? Latest 365. I use the latest version of Excel. Okay? Yes. Chalo. What is Supercharged Excel? It's Excel AI. I will help you understand. No worries. Pata chal jayega. No worries. Chalo. Now, coming to the most common thing. Now, guys, there are 3 things left so far. One is data visualization, data analysis in PowerPoint. Yes, I know you work with data. You need to present your data to in front of your managers and bosses. So we are going to cover that. Then we are going to cover about animations and transitions because that's most important thing. So these things are coming on your way. Now, just to test your knowledge, I have one question for you. I will open my practice data set. Where is my practice data set? Where is it? Here it is. So now just for my knowledge, guys, I'm asking you. So I've covered Excel AI for you just for your knowledge. Bonus learning thi. I hope you liked it. How many of you use PowerPoint for data presentation in your job? Is that a yes? Do you use dashboards? Do you use data presentation, Excel charts? Is that a yes? Or data visualization or some sort of insights you want to present it to your manager? Do you use PowerPoint for that? Excel and PowerPoint. Take it too many times. Excel charts. We'll leave on data only. ठीक है. Okay, चलो at least one PD once a week. Okay, ठीक है. Magrish Deshpande has written his name. I don't know why. ठीक. Okay, I'm closing the chat now. The most common problem you do is, how do I put this? Like you're still using the outdated technologies. I know you might tell me, Hardik, I use Excel. And you're saying Excel is outdated. Yes, I am saying Excel is outdated. If you want to crack in your job, if you want to really get that promotion or a salary hike in your job, you need to go beyond Excel. Now, Hardik, what's beyond Excel? Now, beyond Excel is nothing but Power BI, and let me show you a real life example of it. Now, again, guys, this is a story of my inner circle where countless people have got promotion using salary hike, but the best of the best is Hema. And I'm going to share my personal student ka story whose name is Hema with you. Now see this. I have a dashboard. I have a dashboard in PowerPoint. I have a dashboard in Power BI. Now see, it's an interactive dashboard. Everything is looking good. Now the people who are still lacking in Excel, you need to move beyond Excel. You need to jump to Power BI ASAP. And if you don't know how to use Power BI, I will teach you. I will guide you. I have a Power BI course. If you want to, you can enroll for it. But all of that for later. Right now, just see the power of Power BI in your job. Let's say we are talking about e-commerce company here. It's a dummy data of an e-commerce company where we have quarter results, where we have yearly results, all the profit, all the different KPIs of a company. Now, you know what Hema did in my in my inner circle? She clicked on this publish button, which 99% Power BI users never use it because they think it's useless. But you know what will happen? The moment you click on publish, your dashboard will get published on the online version of Power BI. Hardik, is there any risk of data security or data privacy? No, my friend. Just like you remember we had online Excel, online Power BI, online Word. This is nothing but online Power BI. There is nothing fancy about it. And it's a private server. It's not a public server where anyone or everyone can see your data. Now I will tell you why 99% people don't use it, because they don't have a mentor. You know why? What they do, they click on this thing and they try to share it with their teams. They try to share it on Microsoft Teams. They try to share it with people by clicking on the share button. And this is where they lag behind. It will ask you to pay Power BI license, which is approx like $40 if I'm not wrong. $40 every single month. And I'm pretty much sure you will also not be ready to pay. And the problem here is you don't have a mentor. If you would have a mentor like Hema, you know what Hema did? Hema clicked on this export button. Rather than 99% people who click on share button, she clicked on export button. She clicked on PowerPoint, and now everyone would be mind blown. She clicked on copy. She got a link. She clicked on copy. She jumped to a report. She was building some like annual reporting report which has to be presented in front of board directors. I don't know what's that, but that was the story. So she placed on it, and then she came to that PowerPoint report. She came on insert. She inserted Power BI in PowerPoint. So now just see the magic. She clicked on Power BI. Here it is. We paste the report ka link which we got from online Power BI, and she simply clicked on insert. And now how she was able to achieve promotion. See this. I'm going to share her secret with you, which she has learned from me, obviously. See this. Now this is a PowerPoint. We are not in Power BI. We are not in Excel. We are in PowerPoint slideshow mode. And this what happened exactly. She was also presenting her report in front of her, the CEO, CFO of a company, managing director, board of directors, senior managers, everyone was there in that conference meeting. She was presenting the entire report, and she started with her explanation. And the chief financial officer of the company, you know what he did? He told Hema that, Hema, instead of discussing about the whole year, can we just focus on Q1 right now? Can you switch to Excel right now? So because we wanted to discuss about Q1. And you know what Hema did? Hema was like, sir, we don't have to switch to Excel or Power BI. She simply picked that remote in the conference hall. She picked that remote and she clicked on Q1. And yes, guys, I know you are not able to believe this, but I'm still in PowerPoint. And I was able to make an interactive dashboard in PowerPoint, which was earlier not possible. Because Excel does not come with interactiveness when it's embedded or when it's linked to PowerPoint. It cannot get updated on real-time basis. And they discussed about Q1. Everyone in the room was shocked how Hema was able to do it. Then they discuss about Q2 KPIs. Everything is changing as per Q2. Then Q3. Then Q4. And one more click on Q4. And then every year projections were on the screen. And this single thing, which was a technical knowledge which Hema gained from me, she got a 40% ka whooping salary hike in her next appraisal cycle. Earlier, she was just getting 5-10% average, but a whooping 40% because she implemented technology. Everyone in her office was still stuck on Excel, boring reports, boring presentations. She learned it from me. She implemented it, and everyone in the office was shocked. Hema rocked with 40% salary hike. How many people are speechless here? How many people they themselves realize that you're lacking behind in technology? You should do this in your job to get promotion and salary hikes. Do you agree with this? Drop agree in the Zoom chat if you agree with me that this is the point why this is the reason you're not able to achieve salary hike and promotion. And now since like by luck or by the grace of God or by the grace of universe, we have 120 plus senior professionals. My question to you is, if this is done by your employee in front of you, would you give him or her a promotion? All the senior people, CEOs of a company, CFO of the company. See this, guys. So guys, I'm putting up a screenshot by all the senior professionals. So all the employees, here is a quick confirmation directly from the senior professionals. See this. Sahil Pillai, certainly. Vimal Desai, yes. Kaustubh, yes. Anurosh Pandey, yes. Arun Sharma, yes. Bansi, surely. Shiva Kumar, surely. So employees, all the mid-level or beginners or job seekers or students, why you are waiting? You have the direct confirmation from the senior people that they will promote you. If you just implement these technologies, learn these technologies in your era. Now, guys, I just want to share knowledge with you, if you allow me. Do you want to see a glimpse of Power BI AI? Can I show it to you? I want to teach you. Can I just go show you a glimpse of it? Professor Dr. Shiv K. Yes, please. See this. I'm going to close the chat box and see this, guys. This is a story of Rahul. What he did, he was presenting this thing, a kind of a dashboard in front of managers. All the people were again there in the company. And this is no secret, by the way. Everyone has office politics. Everyone will have one person in their office who will try to always pull you down or bring you down. The same was happening with Rahul in his office. In front of everyone, that employee told me that, Rahul, can you please tell us the reason why there was a loss in the month of May? And Rahul, since there were so senior people in the room, in the meeting, Rahul was nervous. And he forgot that how do I answer this? I don't know what was the reason. What was the specific reason why there was a loss in the month of May? And you know what happened? Rahul used Copilot in Power BI in front of everyone and everyone was shocked. Hardik, what happened? Rahul right-clicked on it, loss pay, right-clicked on it, and he clicked on analyze, and the same question which he got from the colleague, what was the reason for the loss? He passed on the same question to the AI, and see this. Clicked on explain the decrease, and every single reason data-wise, why there was a loss with all the visuals which are in terms of waterfall charts are in front of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exact reasons with data, with numbers, why there was a loss. How many of you think this is super impressive? AI in your job, it can reduce your almost all the unnecessary workload or stress you have on you. Crazy feature. Super. People are not able to believe. It makes us smarter. Yes, this is insane, mind blown. How to be part of your inner circle? Nikita, I will tell you, don't worry. Simply unbelievable. Now, I will come back to PowerPoint because some people are looking for PowerPoint solutions. By the way, Power BI with PowerPoint was a PowerPoint solution. And now, coming to something called as animation and transition. Before I start with this explanation, I want to ask you one question. How many people would rate themselves, let's say, out of 10, how much you would rate yourself in animation and transition? 1, 2, 0, 5, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 10, 1 on 10, 0, 0, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 10, oh my god. 4, 8, 6, 3, 7, minus 10, 9 on 10, 3, 2, 9, 0, 0, 0, 7, 3, minus 15, 10 on 10. We have a mixed crowd, but the majority here are people who are complete beginners. So just giving you a simple explanation of morph transition, which you will never forget in your life. We just have to follow 3 golden rules and your job is done, your task is done. Now, what's that? Just let me show it to you. So, see this. This is a blank PPT. I'm going to insert a circle here, just a sec. Let's say I have a shape. Sorry for that. And I'm going to insert a text box just to write down our instructions. So we have a step 1 where we have to duplicate the slide. Hardik, why we are duplicating the slide? I will explain you the logic, but let me write the steps first. Duplicate the slide. Then we have step 2. Move the object. Move the object. And step 3 is apply morph. Now just see the magic. Now, Hardik, what are these things? These are called as 3 golden rules to use animation and transitions in your PPT. Now, first thing is duplicate the slide. Hardik, how to do it? Control D is the shortcut. If you don't remember the shortcut, you can right click and you will get an option to duplicate the slide. So first step is done. The next step is move the object. So I will move the object. Let's say I want to move it and resize it also. So you can move it and resize it as well. And now the third is apply morph. But why morph is necessary? Can you see this, guys? This is slide number 1. If I go to slide number 2, this is a abrupt transition. It's not attention grabbing for our audience. It's not smooth for our audience. It's very abrupt, right? See this. But now the moment I apply morph in the transition, the first tab is morph. See the magic. This is our first thing. This is the thing. We duplicated the slide, we came to the next slide, we moved the objects, we have applied them off. See the magic. Why it has so beautiful effect on your audience. Now, as your audience, you might have, your attention would be stuck on this. Like, wow, it's so smooth, it's so looking good. And that's what the agenda of a presenter is. That's me. I have to grab your attention. I have to keep you engaged. And if you don't believe me, tell me with utmost honesty, guys, how many of you didn't even realize we have spent 1 hour 30 minutes officially together? Did you realize it? Or time by time just went away, flew by? No, what? 1.3 hour is gone, my friend. We are just left with another 1.3 hour. Then we wrap up the presentation. Engaging session, 1.5 hour. Yes, it's gone. Now it felt like 15 minutes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Engaging, interesting. Thank you. I did a time travel. Now I will close the chat box. And now, since you have understood this concept, I give you 100% guarantee to all the people who have said that I'm 0 in presentation, I'm -10, I'm -15, I'm -5, I'm let's say 5, 7. All the people, this is a biggest claim which I'm going to make, which you would have never seen in any webinar or any session. After this example, if you don't rate yourself above 8, either you rate yourself 8, 9 or 10. If you don't rate yourself above 8, I refund back your 99 rupees. Even after teaching you everything, even after giving you certification, even after giving you bonuses, I refund back your money. Because I'm so confident that every single one of you will rate yourself above 8 only. Hardik, how you can be so sure about it? Because the next project which we are going to make it together, this is something I'm not going to make it. You are going to make it. You are going to tell me what to do and I will do it for you. And then see the results. So now just a quick revision before we begin with the project. Remember these 3 golden rules I'm going to ask you in that project. The first one is duplicate the slide. The second one is move the object and apply. Third one is apply morph. Now this is a project. Now I think what is this? What exactly we are trying to achieve? So this is inspired in last month of September when we had the launch of 15. Yes, इसमें तो 16 launch हो गया. So this was created with the inspiration of Apple website. Many of you might have seen this ad and many people have commented me. Many people have told me that it's a website. You're fooling people. So let me prove my point. I'm not fooling anyone. I'm a very genuine guy. You can trust on me. This is a legit PowerPoint presentation and this is everything which I've taught you across the screen. 3D models. These are the text which I've taken from Google. So for example, ये कैसे मिला Hardik? This is an App Store का icon. So I've just gone to Google, guys. I've written here App Store icon PNG. The moment you write this, guys, you will get everything on Google for free. So this was a 30-minute effort which I've did it for you and I've created this by Googling things. Now I want to make it dynamic, interactive. I want to make it look like a website in PowerPoint. So my bosses, my colleagues, everyone in the office is impressed. So for that, I want you guys to tell me what is the task number 1. What is the task number 1 for MOV? What was the golden rule number 1? Can you please tell me? I forgot. Everyone, almost everyone is telling me to duplicate the slide. Okay, you are telling me I'm doing it. You are the judge, you are the jury. Now, what is the task number 2? Can you tell me? Move the objects. Everyone is writing me move the objects. See this, guys. You are telling me I'm doing it. I will zoom in a little bit so people can watch it. If they have joined it through a mobile phone, I'm just moving the objects randomly. I'm moving the objects outside the screen preferably. See this, I'm moving the objects like this. I'm moving the objects, just a sec. And you can resize also, so I'm resizing it. I'm just moving the objects. Just a sec, this is out, this is out. This is, minimize it further. Hide it also. Moving the laptop. See this is all I've explained you. How to get this laptop, how to get this 3D model, everything I've explained you. So I hope you remember that or else you will get the notes. Okay? Now this is done. Now, what was the step number 3? Anyone remember it? What is the step 3? Apply MOF. Okay, you are telling me. Chalo, let's see what we have created together. This is just the first segment. I'm closing the chat box. See my screen. You have told me I've done 0 efforts. You have told me the crowd, you are the judge, you are the jury. Now just see this. The moment I click on the screen, what is going to happen? We have done it for just first segment, then you will do it for second and third as well simultaneously. 1, 2, 3. You have made it. I have not made it. You have told me and I have done it just for your instructions. See this. What's your reaction on this? Did you ever thought making this sort of presentation would be so easy? You guys have made it. I have not made it. Clapping. I think I'm clapping for you. Oh my God. I rated myself 0. Kaushik, what do you rate yourself now? Perfect. Once believed, 10 on 10. Now, let me complete the presentation quickly. See this. Can we do animation for a company ambassador as well? Yes, you can do it for everything, my friend. See this, I will just show you the logic again. I will just move the objects randomly. Life is random and we want to make it random. Okay, see this. I'm just moving the things here and there. Very random. No logic, no science behind it. I have explained you the golden rules. Just follow that and your presentations will be always so great. See this, I'm just moving the things outside. You can crop it also. You can do whatever you want. You can make it small in size. You can crop it up. You can make it disappear from the slide. See this, everything you can move it here and there. Just make sure you don't keep anything in the screen. Huh? Just make sure everything is outside the screen. Then only it will give you the great effect. Just a sec. Just a sec. Just a sec. Just a sec. Everything is outside. I think something is looking here. I will place it properly behind the screen so it's not visible. Now guys, for a second, just visualize. I'm Tim Cook, CEO of Apple. Just visualize. And this is not a website. This is a PowerPoint presentation and you are at a launch event of Apple and I present you Apple 15 Pro in PowerPoint. No website, no coding, just pure use of advanced PowerPoint knowledge. Now you tell me, you have built this presentation and how much you would rate yourself out of 10. You are the judge, you are the jury. Cool man. Out of marks, 10 Pro Max. Making first slide is only difficult. Yeah, Radni, and I've told you, like, it's just, you're taking an inspiration, so that's not even difficult. It's just a little bit manual work. Googling करना पड़ेगा थोड़ा. Someone is saying, कह दो कि ये झूठ है. How to make the frames? This is all available on Google, ready-made. That's great. How many people are going to use this for your financial presentations, annual presentations, where you're showing your company theme like this? Don't you think your bosses would be impressed by this? I will do it for sure. Do you need to delete the duplicate slide? No. You need to keep it. But no, it won't be visible to your audience, so don't worry. Promotion pakka hai, Hardik. Nidhi, you need to message me after you get it. बॉस हो तो पागल हो जाएंगे. चलो. One of my colleagues does this but never explains me. I hope I have done that, Aman. And he might have learned from me, who knows. Now I'm closing the chat box. Guys, now just wait it.